a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family and his...
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 4 books that every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Have you ever pondered the true role of a father within a family? It's a question worth asking, considering the modern perception of a father's role has unfortunately been reduced to that of merely a breadwinner. But this perception is far from the truth. Indeed, it's time we reassess and redefine what it means to be a father in today's world. You see, a father's role extends far beyond the confines of financial provision. It's a multifaceted job, one that involves shaping the family's legacy and sculpting the future of his children. A father is not just a man who brings home the bacon, but the one who molds and guides his family towards prosperity and fulfillment. Imagine a father as an artisan, carefully crafting the future of his family, instilling values and principles, teaching and guiding. His influence doesn't just touch the present, it echoes into the future, shaping the trajectory of his family's legacy. The role of a father is, in essence, a critical aspect of a family's tapestry. His wisdom, his actions, his teachings, they all weave into the fabric of his family's life, creating a pattern that will be followed for generations to come. A father's role is about mentorship and guidance. It's about teaching his son how to navigate the complexities of life, how to make sound decisions in finance and relationships, how to deal with school and career issues. It's about being there for his son, not just as a disciplinarian, but as a confidant, a mentor, and a friend. And let's not forget, a father is also the visionary of his family's legacy. His dreams, his aspirations, his hopes, they all shape the future of his family. His vision becomes the roadmap that guides his family towards a prosperous future. In sum, the role of a father is indispensable and irreplaceable. It's time we recognize this truth and give fathers the acknowledgement and respect they deserve. Because after all, a father is more than just a provider. He is a guide and a mentor. His job isn't just to secure the present, but to ensure a promising future. The father's classroom isn't limited to 4 walls. It is the whole world. A father, in his unique role, becomes the first teacher of life skills to his son. His lessons are not confined to academic subjects or to the theoretical aspects of life, but extend to practical, hands-on skills that prove useful throughout life. Imagine a young boy watching his father fix a leaky faucet, the concentration etched on his face. The father, in his element, passes on not just the skill of plumbing, but also the values of patience, precision, and problem-solving. These are the moments that shape a son's self-reliance and confidence, equipping him with the tools to navigate his own life. The father's garage becomes a laboratory for the young mind, where lessons in automotive maintenance unfold, The son learns how to change a tire, check the oil level, and replace spark plugs. These skills might seem mundane, but they foster a sense of independence and resilience in the face of life's unexpected challenges. Beyond the garage, the father's workshop is a treasure trove of learning. The smell of sawdust fills the air as the father guides his son through basic carpentry tasks. As they work together to fix a broken chair or build a birdhouse, the son learns about diligence, creativity, and craftsmanship. The lessons don't stop here. The father also teaches his son how to handle electrical repairs safely. He demonstrates how to replace a fused bulb, fix a broken switch, or reset a tripped circuit breaker. These lessons are about more than just practical skills. They're about safety, responsibility, and respect for the power that lights our lives. In all these instances, a father is not just teaching his son how to use tools or fix things. He is imparting the wisdom of life itself, teaching his son how to face challenges, solve problems, and become self-reliant. The lessons a father imparts are not just for the moment, but for a lifetime. These skills, once learned, become a part of the son's identity, shaping him into a confident and capable individual, ready to face the world on his own terms. A father's wisdom is a guiding light in the journey of life. This statement rings true for many sons who have been fortunate enough to have their fathers as their mentors and coaches in various aspects of life. Fathers play a critical role in guiding their sons through the labyrinth of school, from choosing the right subjects to developing effective study habits. They share their experiences, their triumphs, and even their failures, helping their sons understand that it's okay to make mistakes, as long as one learns from them. As sons grow older and start contemplating their career paths, fathers are there to provide not just advice, but also perspective. They help their sons understand the importance of passion, hard work, and resilience in achieving career success. They share their insights on various industries, job roles, and the evolving job market. Fathers also guide their sons in making important financial decisions. They teach them about the importance of saving, investing, and financial planning. They share their knowledge on how to manage finances responsibly, helping their sons avoid potential financial pitfalls. But the role of a father as a mentor and coach doesn't stop at career or financial guidance. Fathers also guide their sons in personal relationships. They teach them about respect, understanding, and communication. They help their sons understand the importance of building strong, healthy relationships based on mutual respect and understanding. Fathers are the voice of wisdom, experience, and understanding. They provide a safe space for their sons to discuss their fears, aspirations, and dreams. They listen, advise, and guide, helping their sons navigate the complexities of life. Indeed, the role of a father extends far beyond being just a provider or a disciplinarian. He is a mentor, a coach, a guide, and a friend. His advice, born out of his own experiences and wisdom, helps shape his son's character, beliefs, and approach to life. So let's take a moment to appreciate the fathers who have been there for us, guiding us, mentoring us, and helping us become the best versions of ourselves. After all, a father's advice is the compass that steers a son's life. A father is the architect of the family's future. An architect creates a blueprint, a detailed plan that guides the construction of a building. Similarly, a father crafts the blueprint for his family's legacy, his vision serving as the guiding light for the future prosperity of his clan. His leadership is not merely about making decisions for the present, but about forecasting the future, making choices that...
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
This vision also sets the stage for the son to eventually take up the mantle of the family's legacy, to carry the torch forward, illuminating the path for the generations to come. In this way, a father not only shapes his son's life, but also the destiny of his lineage, his vision becoming the family's guiding star. But a father's vision is not set in stone. It evolves with time, adapting to the changing world, to the unique strengths and passions of his children. It's a dynamic blueprint, flexible enough to accommodate change, yet sturdy enough to provide a sense of direction. A father, thus, is more than just a provider or a disciplinarian. He is a visionary, a seer who looks beyond the present, crafting a legacy that will stand the test of time. His vision, a blend of wisdom and foresight, serves as the foundation on which the family's future is built. A father's vision is the blueprint for the family's future. It's a legacy that transcends time, touching the lives of generations yet unborn. It's a testament to the pivotal role a father plays in shaping not just his family's destiny, but also the fabric of society. The role of a father is irreplaceable. This isn't just a statement, it's a testament to the truth. Fathers are not just another fixture in the family portrait. They are the guiding compass, the invisible force that shapes and molds the family's path, and the quiet strength that holds it all together. It's time to shed light on the indispensable role of a father. Their influence doesn't just start and end with being the breadwinner, it extends far beyond that. Fathers are the architects of their children's characters, especially their sons. They are the ones who instill values, inspire dreams, and nurture the strength needed to face life's adversities. A father's role is unique and complex. He is a teacher, a mentor, a coach, a disciplinarian, and a visionary. He's the one who shows his son how to stand tall, how to respect others, and how to lead. His actions, his words, his behavior, they all play a crucial part in shaping his son's perception of himself and the world around him. But fathers need to own this role. They need to step up and claim the respect they deserve. A father's contribution to his family is invaluable, and it's high time society recognizes this. Fathers are not just providers. They are pillars of strength, wisdom, and love. The role of a father extends beyond the four walls of the house. It transcends generations, shaping the future of families, communities, and societies. A father's influence on his son can create a ripple effect, impacting the lives of countless others. So let's acknowledge the indispensable role of fathers. Let's appreciate their sacrifices, their efforts, and their undying love for their families. Because a father's role isn't just about raising children, it's about raising individuals who will make a difference in the world. Fathers are more than just a role in the family, they are its backbone. They are the unsung heroes who, through their actions and teachings, create a legacy that lasts for generations. So let's remember to honor them, appreciate them, and most importantly, let's learn from them. Let's delve into a story that encapsulates the essence of a father's role. The tale of young Samuel and his father John is one that beautifully paints the picture of a father's influence. Samuel was a bright boy, full of energy and curiosity, always eager to explore and understand the world around him. His father John was a humble carpenter, a man of few words but full of wisdom. Samuel often found himself lost in the vastness of life's possibilities. He had a passion for many things, making it difficult for him to decide what he wanted to do with his life. Amidst this confusion, it was his father who stepped in to guide him, not by imposing his own desires, but by helping Samuel discover his purpose. John knew his son's strengths and weaknesses. He knew Samuel had a knack for problem solving, that he was creative and persistent. He also knew Samuel's love for nature and how he could spend hours observing and sketching the world around him. John saw his son's potential and wanted to help him realize it. One day, John took Samuel to the local park. They sat on a bench, and John handed Samuel a sketchbook. He said, "Samuel, I want you to sketch what you see, capture the essence of this place, the beauty in the ordinary." Samuel was puzzled, but did as his father asked. He sketched the trees, the birds, the people, and the setting sun. He sketched until his hands were tired, and when he finally looked up, he saw his father smiling at him. John pointed at the sketchbook and said, "Samuel, this is your gift. You have the ability to see beauty in the mundane, to capture moments in time. You have the power to make people see the world through your eyes. This is your purpose." Samuel was taken aback. He had been so lost in his love for sketching and observing that he hadn't realized it could be more than just a hobby. It could be his purpose, his contribution to the world. From that day forward, Samuel pursued his passion for art. Guided by his father's wisdom and encouragement, he went on to become a renowned artist, his work admired by many. John's role as a father was more than just providing for his son. He was the guiding light, the one who helped Samuel find his purpose. He did not impose, he did not dictate, but he observed, guided, and supported. This story is a testament to the power of a father's influence. It emphasizes the importance of understanding, guiding, and supporting our children in discovering their passion and purpose in life. A father's role extends beyond being a breadwinner. He is a mentor, a guide, and a pillar of support. His influence can shape his son's future, helping him find his purpose and leaving a lasting legacy. This story is a testament to the power of a father's influence. What does being a father truly entail? That's the question we've been exploring in this video, and we've discovered that it's about so much more than just being the breadwinner of the family. A father's role is multifaceted, complex, and absolutely critical in shaping the future of his children, particularly his sons. He's not just a provider, but a teacher, a mentor, and a visionary. His job isn't just about putting food on the table, but about guiding his children through life, teaching them valuable skills, and helping them find their own purpose. We delved into the role of a father as a teacher of life skills, highlighting the importance of passing on practical knowledge in areas like carpentry, electrical work, plumbing, and automotive maintenance. These skills aren't just useful in everyday life, they're also a way for a father to bond with his son, to pass on wisdom, and to prepare him for the challenges that lie ahead. We also discussed the father's role as a mentor and a coach, providing guidance on school, career, finance, and relationship issues. A father's advice can be a guiding light in these areas, helping his son navigate the complexities of life with wisdom and foresight. Lastly, we explored the father's role as the visionary of the family legacy. A father shapes the trajectory of his family's future, setting the tone for generations to come. His actions, values, and decisions create a legacy that his children and their children will inherit. We heard the heartwarming story of a father and son, a vivid example of how a father's guidance can shape a son's life, helping him find his purpose and build a successful future. A father's job isn't just to provide, but to guide, teach, and inspire his children. That's the true role of a father. And as we've seen in this exploration, when a father truly embraces these roles, he can make a profound difference in his children's lives and in the legacy of his family.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.